everyone, welcome back to my channel Supply Chain Pedia. My name is Sonia Khan, a certified supply chain professional with over a decade of experience in supply chain, logistics, transportation, and risk management across multiple industries. Here, this is lecture number 5, Components of Supply Chain Management, Sourcing. And this is continuation of our lecture series SCM. Let's go. In our previous session, we talked about five main components of supply chain management: planning, sourcing, manufacturing, delivery and distribution, and finally returns. After that, we discussed SCM first component, planning. Now, in this lecture, we are going to explore second step, that is sourcing. All previous lectures link are in description. So, what we will cover today? What is sourcing? Why sourcing is important for business? Key activities involved, real world example, and finally conclusion. Let's dive in. What is sourcing? Oh, after planning and deciding what to make or produce, we need to source material or services. So, what is sourcing basically? Sourcing is the second and most important step of supply chain management. This is about choosing the right supplier in the right quantity, in right quality, and in right time, and also at the right price too. We have to check supplier is providing quality materials and reliable services. But it is not about just buying things cheaply, but also about building good relationships and long-term relationship with suppliers. Now again, why sourcing is important? Think about it. Sourcing affect both cost and quality of the product. If sourcing is weak, customers may receive late deliveries or poor quality products. Good sourcing also reduce risk like supplier delays and shortages. In short, we can say good sourcing means smooth operation and reliable flow of material. Next is key activities involved. The main activities involved in sourcing including identifying good supplier, which is number one activity in sourcing. Second is negotiating contract to get fair prices. Third is checking supplier performance regularly. Fourth is building a strong communication with suppliers. And finally, making sure sourcing is ethical and sustainable. These activities ensure that we are not only purchasing material but also maintaining trust and reliability. Let's dive into our example burger shop. Imagine a small burger shop preparing to source after planning. The shop needs buns, vegetables, and meats to run smoothly. It chooses a best bakery for fresh bun, a farm for fresh vegetable, and a meat supplier for patties. It also negotiates fair prices and delivery schedules. If these suppliers are reliable, the shop can always serve customer without any problem. Next is conclusion. So, what we learned today is that sourcing is the bridge between planning and production. Strong supplier partnership help ensure cost, quality, and reliability. If sourcing is done, the entire done you can say if sourcing is done well and correctly, the entire supply chain works better. So our next SCM component will be manufacturing. But let's stop it here. Absorb this much knowledge as of now. Thank you. Thank you for watching this lecture. See you next week where we will study next component manufacturing. Take care. Bye bye.